Hey there, fellow gamers! Excited to dive into the world of PC building? It's like assembling your own high-performance racing machine, but instead of hitting the track, we're blasting into the digital world. Forget those pre-built boxes, we're going custom. We'll choose each part, understand its power, and put it all together. Trust me, the feeling of booting up your own creation for the first time, total adrenaline rush. No more lag, no more compromise. Just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. We're talking buttery smooth frame rates, stunning graphics, and the ability to upgrade whenever you want. So grab your screwdrivers, folks. Let's build a gaming PC that'll make your friends jealous and your games sing. Think of building a PC like putting together a rock band. Each member has a crucial role. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the brains of the operation. It handles all the game's instructions and calculations. A faster CPU means smoother gameplay and better performance. The GPU, or graphics processing unit, is your visual powerhouse. The GPU renders those stunning graphics and makes your games look amazing. RAM, or random access memory, is like your PC's short-term memory. RAM stores data that the CPU needs quickly. More RAM means smoother multitasking and faster loading times. The motherboard is the foundation of your PC, connecting all the components. It dictates what other parts you can use. Storage, whether SSD or HDD, is where your game library lives. SSDs are lightning fast, while HDDs offer more storage space. The power supply is the heart of your rig, supplying power to all components. The case is the stylish shell that houses all your components. Choose one with good airflow to keep things cool. And finally, cooling keeps your components from overheating. Options include air coolers or more elaborate liquid cooling systems. Let's break down what each component does in simpler terms. The CPU is like a chef chopping vegetables. A faster CPU is like a super-fast chef, chopping veggies at lightning speed, making your game run smoothly. The GPU is like an artist painting a picture. A powerful GPU creates a more detailed and vibrant picture, enhancing your gaming experience. RAM is like a chef's countertop. More RAM means a bigger countertop, allowing the chef's CPU to work faster. The motherboard is the foundation of your kitchen, connecting all appliances together. Storage is like your refrigerator, storing all your ingredients, games, and files. The power supply is the electrical outlet, providing power to all your kitchen appliances. The case is the kitchen itself, housing all your appliances and keeping them organized. And cooling? It's your kitchen's ventilation system, keeping everything cool and preventing overheating. Section 4, Building Your Beast, a step-by-step guide. Now the fun begins. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. First, prepare your workspace. Find a clean, well-lit area. Ground yourself to avoid static discharge. Next, install the CPU on the motherboard. This is delicate, so be gentle. Then install the RAM. Open the clips on the motherboard and align the RAM sticks correctly. After that, mount the motherboard in the case. Secure it with screws. Now install the GPU. Slot it into the PCIe slot on the motherboard. Next, connect storage devices. Connect your SSD or HDD to the motherboard and power supply. Then install the power supply. Secure it in the case and connect all the necessary cables. Now, install the cooling system. Attach the cooler to the CPU and connect the fans. Don't forget cable management. Neatly route all the cables for optimal airflow. Finally, close up the case. Double-check all connections before sealing it up. Section 5, Rookie Mistakes to Avoid, Tips from a Pro. Even seasoned builders make mistakes. Here's how to avoid some common ones. Forgetting standoffs. These tiny screws prevent shorts by lifting the motherboard off the case. Over-tightening screws. Go easy on those screws. You don't want to damage anything. Incorrect RAM installation. Make sure the RAM sticks are properly seated and the clips are closed. Forgetting the I/O shield. That little metal plate on the back of the case? Yeah, that's important. Skipping cable management. Good airflow is crucial. Take your time to route cables neatly. Section 6. Troubleshooting 101. Don't panic, we got this. PC not booting up, don't panic. Here are some quick fixes. Check power connections. Make sure everything is plugged in securely. Reseat components. Try removing and reinserting the RAM, GPU, and other components. Clear CMOS. This resets the BIOS to default settings. Look for a jumper or button on the motherboard. Check for bent CPU pins. Carefully inspect the CPU socket for any bent pins. Consult the internet. Chances are someone else has experienced the same issue. Congratulations, you did it. You've joined the PC Master Race. Now go enjoy those glorious games.